I messed everything up.
That right there, an apology from a man who stole from a charity organization that he set up to honor his dead son. Tony Dia, the father of Officer Anthony Dia, will go to prison for 6 months for grand theft and telecommunications fraud. 11 Investigates has been following this story since we learned of the investigation last year. Melissa joining us once again. You covered this. What else did Dia have to say?
Not much, but his attorneys said Dia was overwhelmed by the loss of his son and struggled to cope. He started the charity and robbed from Peter to pay Paul, taking charity donations for his struggling businesses. Dia asked for work release, saying he accepts full responsibility and will pay $26,000 in restitution. He said he is the sole provider for his wife and 2 young children. But Judge James Bates, who is a visiting judge on the case, said while his son's death was tragic, Dia put himself in a position of trust in his son's name. He then violated that trust, which he said is worse than just theft. Prosecuting attorney Mike Loisel said the sentence sends a message.
I think it's a good message. He indicated on the record that this defendant was in a position of trust, more so than just a regular theft, and I think that's accurate. So for that, he earned a 180-day jail sentence.
After he's released from prison, Dia will serve probation until May of 2028, and he does have to pay back more than $26,000 of restitution. The prosecutor said that may not be the full amount he took, but it's what they could prove.
Another question for you. Who, if any, of Dia's family members were there at the sentencing?
Well, Dia's ex-wife walked into court with him. She is the fallen officer Anthony Dia's mother. Anthony Dia's widow, Jamie, was also there. She said she was disappointed that the family continues to support Tony, who stole money from her husband's charity. Jamie says it feels like justice has been served. Jeff.